We will prevent them from running away, from being trafficked, from, getting involved in potentially criminal activity.
Sweetser CEO Jane Van Bramer says with monetary help from the state, her company is planning to open Maine's first secure psychiatric residential treatment facility for children. She says it's filling a hole in Maine's care system since currently about 70 Maine kids are receiving this type of care out of state.
These are for the kids that nothing else has worked for.
But Atlee Riley, a managing attorney with Disability Maine, says locked institutions are not what Maine needs.
There's not a lot of research that shows that it's effective. It's very disruptive to typical normal development.
The plan for the 16-bed treatment facility comes in the aftermath of a settlement between the U.S. Justice Department and Maine after Disability Maine filed a complaint that the state was violating the Americans with Disabilities Act. The DOJ claimed Maine was unnecessarily separating kids from their families for treatment by putting them into facilities like Long Creek Youth Development Center. That settlement ensures that Maine brings kids closer to home for community-based treatment. And while the center could bring a few out-of-state patients back to Maine, Riley says it won't bring them home.
You should not have to go to an institutional setting to get behavioral health needs met.
But isn't it better to have them in Maine than to have them sent, down south or across the country?
Van Bramer says the facility would feature high security aspects and cater to anyone 22 and under. Her hope is that most would move out of the facility within a year, and she's planning to open in April 2026. In Saco, Anna Kuhn, CBS 13 News.